Hello students, welcome in my video. In this video we are going to know country capital of Africa continent with currency. So let us start. Algeria. The capital of Algeria is Algiers. Currency is Algerian dinar. ISO code is DZD. Angola. The capital of Angola is Luanda. Currency is Angolan Kwanza. ISO code is AOA. Benin. The capital of Benin is Porto Novo. Currency is West African CFA franc. ISO code is XOF. Botswana. The capital of Botswana is Gaborone. Currency is Botswana Pula. ISO code is BWP. Burkina Faso. The capital of Burkina Faso is Ouagadougou. Currency is West African CFA franc. ISO code is XOF. Burundi. The capital of Burundi is Bujumbura. Currency is Burundi franc. ISO code is BIF. Cape Verde. The capital of Cape Verde is Praia. Currency is Cape Verdean escudo. ISO code is CVE. Cameroon. The capital of Cameroon is Yaoundé. Currency is Central African CFA franc. ISO code is XAF. Central African Republic. The capital of Central African Republic is Bangui. Currency is Central African CFA franc. ISO code is XAF. Chad. The capital of Chad is N'Djamena. Currency is Central African CFA franc. ISO code is XAF. Comoros. The capital of Comoros is Moroni. Currency is Comorian franc. ISO code is KMF. Democratic Republic of the Congo. The capital of Democratic Republic of the Congo is Kinshasa. Currency is Congolese franc. ISO code is CDF. Republic of the Congo. The capital of Republic of the Congo is Brazzaville. Currency is Central African CFA franc. ISO code is XAF. Cote d'Ivoire. The capital of Cote d'Ivoire is Yamoussoukro. Currency is West African CFA franc. ISO code is XOF. Djibouti. The capital of Djibouti is Djibouti city. Currency is Djiboutian franc. ISO code is DJF. Egypt. The capital of Egypt is Cairo. Currency is Egyptian pound. ISO code is EGP. Equatorial Guinea. The capital of Equatorial Guinea is Malabo. Currency is Central African CFA franc. ISO code is XAF. Eswatini. The capital of Eswatini is Ambibene. Currency is Swaziland. ISO code is SZL. Eritrea. The capital of Eritrea is Asmara. Currency is Eritrean Nakfa. ISO code is ERN. Ethiopia. The capital of Ethiopia is Addis Ababa. Currency is Ethiopian Bir. ISO code is ETB. Gabon. The capital of Gabon is Libreville. Currency is Central African CFA franc. ISO code is XAF. Gambia. The capital of Gambia is Banjul. Currency is Gambian Talasi. ISO code is GMD. Ghana. The capital of Ghana is Accra. Currency is Ghanaian cedi. ISO code is GHS. Guinea. The capital of Guinea is Conakry. Currency is Guinean franc. ISO code is GNF. Guinea-Bissau. The capital of Guinea-Bissau is Bissau. Currency is West African CFA franc. ISO code is XOF. Kenya. The capital of Kenya is Nairobi. Currency is Kenyan shilling. ISO code is KES. Lesotho. The capital of Lesotho is Maseru. Currency is Lesotho Loti. ISO code is LSL. Liberia. The capital of Liberia is Monrovia. Currency is Liberian dollar. ISO code is LYD. Libya. The capital of Libya is Tripoli. Currency is Libyan dinar and ISO code is LYD. That's all.